Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Following that, tap on one of those features located under App Permissions, like Camera. Then scroll all the way down and by tapping on blue switches next to one of your apps, deny camera access. In order to allow it instead, tap on the same, now white switches. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!